My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mr. Zainal Abidin, English teacher, Mohammed City Public School. আমি আজ তোমাদের জন্য পড়াতে যাচ্ছি ক্লাস 10 এর ইংরেজি ফার্স্ট পেপারের নাম্বার 6 কোশ্চেন আইটেম। There is a table, you know that in the question number 6 you get a table of 3 columns. There are parts of sentences in each column with respective numbers. What you should do? You should make 5 sentences using the table. You should use the parts of sentences to make complete sentences. Here you should follow the rules of grammar to make a meaningful sentence. If you use the parts of sentences as you wish without the rules of grammar, there will not be any meaningful sentences. So you should follow the rules of grammars. Now I am completing the sentences for you. Read the table first. There are many Cox's Bazar. Then Cox's Bazar, it is remarkable place. Many people in our country in respect come to visit these nice places. Sea beach is the most beautiful of the natural beauty. Sea beach every year. Then in Bangladesh, place among them is very charming. Now complete in this way. Write number 1. At first, there are many. There are many that come to column B. There are many. These will be nice places. There are many nice places that come to the column C in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh. Then come to the number B. Next, Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is the most beautiful. Cox's Bazar is the most beautiful place. Then write from the column B, place among them. Place among place among them. Now come to the number C. Then Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar. What is Cox's Bazar? Cox's Bazar, sea beach. Cox's Bazar, sea beach. Cox's Bazar, sea beach. Cox's Bazar, sea beach is very charming. Cox's Bazar is very Cox's Bazar sea beach is very charming. Next, come to number D. Next, come to number D. It is remarkable place. It is remarkable place. Then come to the number column C. A remarkable place in our country. In our country, in respect. Country in respect of the natural beauty. Then come to the number E. Many people come to visit this. Many people come to visit this sea beach. Sea beach every year. Every year. My dear students, you should write the sentences in this order. You should not write the sentences without following the grammatical structure. Dear students, now I have come to the end. Tomorrow we will see. Then thank you everybody. Thank you all.